Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 3.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's Sony slashed the full-year sales forecast for its PlayStation 5 console and said it plans to list its financial business next year as it focuses on entertainment and image sensors. Sony cut its PS5 sales forecast for the year ending March to 21 million units after weaker-than-expected sales over the year-end shopping season. Gold prices lingered near a two-month low, trading below the key $2,000 per ounce level, as a stronger-than-expected US inflation report prompted traders to trim bets for deeper rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Coinbase is expected to report strong revenue numbers when it reports fourth-quarter earnings after the bell. Analysts predict a strong quarter for the crypto exchange, as trading volume had picked up in the final days of the year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 13:30 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 0530 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 700 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The US industrial production at 1415 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.